What's the best way to cut an onion? I'm going to tell you it's not really that hard at all, and you'll be able to use this technique every time from now on. You want to find the stem end of the onion, move it up about a ½ inch off of that. You're going to cut straight through, and now you've got a flat side. You're going to turn it. This is the root end of the onion. You don't want to go all the way through the root end of the onion. You only want to cut halfway through the root end of the onion, because that's what's going to hold the onion together while you're making your dice. So maybe just a little bit off that end, right? Still leaves some. Now we're going to take that onion, set it on the big end, and we're going to cut it through that root end all the way in half. And that's how you start. So we've peeled the onion, and you need to keep the root end intact, and I'll show you why. First thing you're going to do is make your vertical cuts. The closer the vertical cuts are to each other is how big your dice is going to be. Make sure you keep your little fingers curled under. We don't want any accidents. And I'm going to do one more, and then hand flat, horizontal slicing. And I'm going to do one more because the onion's not that big. Hand flat again. Now you hold it together and you cut down and watch. You've got a dice. Cool, huh?